In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for social media planning. If you're looking to streamline your social media efforts and finally get your content organized, then you're in the right place. So let's dive right in and get you started with using Trello efficiently. First, let's head over to Trello's website. You can do this by simply typing Trello into your web browser's search bar. Once you're there, you'll see the main page that says capture, organize, and tackle your to-dos from anywhere. Now, if you already have an account, great. If not, signing up is quick and painless. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click on Log In. This will take you to the login page where you'll enter your credentials. If you tend to forget passwords, Trello supports single sign-on with Google and Microsoft accounts, making it super convenient. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Trello workspace. This is the hub of your organizational universe on Trello. Here you'll see all your boards, which are essentially digital bulletin boards where all the planning magic happens. Now, on the left-hand menu, there's an option called Templates. Go ahead and click on that. Trello offers a widespread library of templates that can suit various project needs. It's an excellent way to start if you're unsure how to lay out your board. For our purpose of social media planning, you'll want to click on Marketing. This will take you to a collection specifically designed to boost marketing activities. These templates can save you a ton of time with pre-structured lists and cards that can be easily adapted to your needs. One of the most helpful templates you'll find here is the Social Media Marketing Board. By clicking on this board, you'll see an example board with different lists such as ideas, to do, in progress, and done. Each list contains cards which you can use to detail specific social media posts or campaigns. This layout helps you visualize every stage of your content creation process, helping keep you and your team on the same page. Remember, each card can hold comments, attachments, due dates, and checklists, making it an all-in-one place for your content planning. So feel free to customize these templates to fit your specific workflow. You can modify lists, create new ones to better align with your strategy, and even assign tasks to team members. And there you have it. You've just set up your Trello board for a more organized and efficient social media planning process. Take some time to explore and personalize your board to fully leverage Trello's capabilities. Happy planning, and I hope this helps you to maximize your productivity. Thanks for watching.